What if I told you this isn't just a planner cover? It's wearable art. Today I'm unboxing something truly special, a leather piece that captures original watercolor artwork and preserves it forever in full-grain American leather. This is not just another traveler's notebook. This is the beginning of something historic for Planner Perfect collectors. If you love heirloom quality pieces, limited releases, and meaningful craftsmanship, you absolutely need to watch this entire video because once this leather is gone, it is gone. Friends, I've been looking forward to this release for so long because this is Jenny's original artwork made permanent in full grain American leather. I am looking forward to opening this box, but before I do, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator behind Nikki J Plans. If you love all things planning, journaling, creative organization, and building a life you truly love, you are absolutely in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future planner content. It truly supports my channel so much. And if you want daily planning inspiration, you can also find me over on Instagram. Same handle, Nikki J Plans. When you open the box, it arrives like this. With this card, it shows all of Planner Perfect's social channels. And all the leathers come with this little protective dusting bag, I think it's called. The Planner Perfect Daisy Signature Series features Jenny's beloved Daisy watercolor, one of her most loved art pieces, brought onto leather in a way that feels timeless, intentional. This leather is soft, feminine, and bold all at once. Each brushstroke is preserved within the grain of the leather. You can literally see the artistry pressed into it. This is the first of a collection of leathers that will feature her artwork on the cover. And I truly consider this leather art. It feels like an heirloom piece, something you keep forever and pass down. I know my daughter will love this. When you open it, you're greeted with the laminilla leather on the inside. This is the Everyday Organized Leather Traveler's Notebook. This contrast is beautiful, classic, but still warm. It balances the softness of the Daisy watercolor with something fresh and structured. This pairing feels intentional and elevated. This leather is currently available in 2 sizes, wide and B6. The A5 is already sold out, and that should tell you something. These are constructed with 2 layers of leather. I don't know if you notice it right there. And finished with white stitching. They are incredibly soft, just wow. And incredibly durable because this is full grain leather and the grain and texture will vary with each piece. Okay, let's dive right into the specifics of this leather. When I opened it earlier, I noticed this logo right here. It says the Signature Series by Jenny Penton original artwork. Usually there's no logo placed in this part of Planner Perfect leathers. It's usually in the back cover. And this logo is different too. It's JP, Planner Perfect, the Signature Series. So on the left side, you get a front pocket, perfect for tip-ins and cards, a second large pocket, perfect for sticker sheets and accessories. I do fit a ruler in this pocket. And on the right side, it holds your Planner Perfect notepad. You can refill this when you're done using it, and it's removable. And you get 4 3mm elastic strands to hold your planners and journals. This is A5 size, so it can hold that size of books. And there's an adjustable, hidden, replaceable elastics with the knot tucked away. So it's supposed to do this. And one oversized pen loop designed to fit your fountain pens. But I use gel pens, regular size pens, and it works perfectly. But it does work great with the fountain pens too. And a leather reinforced spine. Whenever I have the Everyday Organized Traveler's Leather Notebook, I always forget to mention the large hidden pocket behind the notepad. This is very convenient since it's additional space that you can use to protect papers such as receipts that you use for business expenses. Now let's set up this leather and use the items I got from my subscription box. Let's start with the tip-ins. I always like to use the one that comes with the calendar. It's very useful. It's beautiful. Tip-ins are always blank in the back. You can also fit a stack of business cards. I found this bookmark. I got it from Tailored Plans. She has an Etsy shop. I'm an affiliate for her shop. I got a 10% discount code that you can use. I'll add it in the description box below. I don't think she has this in her shop. I believe she offered it as a freebie last year. It's a cute little bookmark and it looks fantastic with Planner Perfect. These are the 4 sticker sheets that I got in the March Planner Perfect subscription box. You'll notice that I already used almost 2 entire pages. It comes 2 copies of each page. They fit perfectly in this large pocket. And then because I travel and my role is marketing and business development, sometimes I like to write a thank you card to my customers. So I always like to have a card and an envelope with me. Now let's add the books. This is my Planner Perfect Softbound Daisy book. It comes in yellow, light blue, light pink, and orange. And then this is my Planner Perfect quarterly planner. This is Q1. It has January, February, and March 2026. So these are 2 A5 size books. Now let's add a pen. This one is my Write-Tech pen and it looks perfect with the daisy cover. Oh, I love how that looks. Because I have 2 A5 size books that are quite large, that's like the max that this leather can take. If you order Planner Perfect inserts, for example, for your subscription box, if you have the planner and the journal, plus 2 additional inserts. They wouldn't take as much space as these books do. So let's say you would have 1 insert and your quarterly planner, it would be more like this. If you use 2 quarterly planners, so if you want to plan 6 months out, then it would be double this. So let's say you use a different planner. So let's say you use Hobonichi. I have an example here for you. Some of my planner friends are going to be shocked when they look at this. No, I don't use this planner. I was curious. I got it. And now I can use it for my YouTube channel. So you can see how it looks in this leather. I also got their notebook. This is dot grid. They're both A5 size. So I used the 4th elastic band and the first one to add 2 books, 2 A5 size Hobonichi books. Because I tabbed my planner, I don't know if that's gonna work. That's gonna be, So if your planner is tabbed, this is not gonna work. But if it's not tabbed, it should work fine. And this is how it looks with just the softbound daisy book. It's all dot grid pages. I love it. Daisy, yellow, oh, gorgeous. There's something deeply meaningful about carrying original artwork pressed into leather. If you want a personal imprint of Jenny Penton's artistry preserved in full grain American leather, I truly encourage you to grab one before they are gone. This feels like the start of a collector series. If you decide to shop, you can use my 20% off ambassador code Nikki20 toward all Planner Perfect products, including the leathers. It's a one-time use code, but I've known people who have been able to use it more than once. I believe the discount resets over time, so if you've used it before, you can definitely try it again. If you use my code, I may earn store credit at no additional cost to you. Thank you so much to those who have supported me that way. It truly means more than you know. I'll be posting videos midweek here on YouTube, so make sure you're subscribed. And for daily inspiration, planning content, and behind the scenes peeks, you can find me at Instagram under the same handle, Nikki J Plans. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.